Few drivers don't get nervous when surrounded by semi trucks on the freeway, even though only about 1 in 10 freeway fatalities occur with a large truck or semi truck involved. However, semi trucks can weigh up to 20,000 pounds and can take 2 to 3 times longer to stop than a passenger vehicle, making them very dangerous vehicles to be involved in an accident with. If you're unfortunate enough to be involved in such an accident, it is important to know what legal steps you should take afterwards. If you are fortunate enough to have never dealt with a semi truck accident, you can prepare yourself with the knowledge provided in this article. Accidents involving semi trucks are not exactly the same as accidents involving the average passenger vehicle.
Always call the authorities. Even if you're lucky enough to just get tapped by a semi truck and neither party is in need of an ambulance, get yourself to safety and call the police. Proving your lack of involvement in a semi truck accident is going to require a lot of evidence, so get the police involved immediately. If the driver is chronically negligent, it is your responsibility to get their actions on record to prevent them from potentially injuring someone else. Your duty at this point in the situation is to pull over, get to safe place, and call the police. This goes without saying, but if you or the semi-truck driver are injured in any way, call an ambulance. Your lives are much more important than figuring out whose fault the accident was. Take photographs of the damage. If nobody is injured or in immediate danger and you're in a safe spot, immediately take photographs of the damages to your car, body, and semi-truck. Having physical proof of the damages to you or your vehicle will be important proof you will need once you file a claim with your insurance company. When you're involved in a rear end or general accident with a semi-truck, it can be a harrowing and scary experience. However, legally, can be a relatively successful, although bureaucratic and stressful, process to receive compensation and care after a semi-truck accident due to the loads of laws and regulations surrounding negligent truck drivers. At Jackson White, we pride ourselves on offering our personal injury clients the highest level of help and service possible. Our team, led by attorney Jared Everton, has helped hundreds of accident victims in Phoenix and Arizona receive the compensation they deserve after an accident injury. We may not be able to take away the pain and loss from an accident, but we can help you shoulder the burden of an accident. We make every effort to make your case as positive as possible, and that's why our client satisfaction rate is so tremendously high. Call our personal injury team at 480-485-4482 to discuss your case today.